So this is a profile, and this is how you convert into a page like way. Not necessarily a page, but somehow a page. You can allow people to follow you and you see your followers count. So when you go to view as in preview, you can see add friend and message. This doesn't look like a page, this is a profile. So to do this, quickly head to settings, take a break and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to turn on post notification as well. And I know you'll be looking for this about a while now, but you're not finding any good solution. So you can head towards my channel and you navigate to the playlist, you look for Facebook tutorials. There are other tutorials as well on this same topic. You can go through them and try out the methods to see if they work out for you, because some worked for many and some couldn't work as well. So you can go through them and try out any of these videos. So let's continue from where we stopped and find privacy settings. So make sure under how people find and contact you, you change who can send you friend requests from everyone to friends on friends. So when you're done changing this, you head back to public post and who can follow me, you change it to public. So when you do this, you go back to your page and you make a preview. You can see it has changed to the follow button. So this is just a way to change your profile to a page like way.